History of the Canadian tax system. In 1917, as a temporary measure to help finance the war, the federal government introduced the Income Tax War Act, covering both personal and corporate income. Well, we all know what happened to that temporary measure. By 1948, income tax was no longer considered temporary and the Income War Tax Act was replaced with the Income Tax Act. I have placed no time limit upon this measure. A year or two after the war is over, the measure should be reviewed, stated Sir Thomas White, Minister of Finance. Every year there are thousands of dollars left at CRA that Canadian taxpayers do not know they could claim. Almost 6 out of 10 taxpayers have money at the CRA. Surprised? We certainly were. There is a way for Canadians to recapture unclaimed tax dollars. As we all know, taxes can be a grind at the best of times. The Canadian tax code can be one of the most complex systems in the history of mankind. When we file our taxes, we hope to receive some of this money back in the form of a tax refund each year. However, there are deductions that we are eligible to claim, that are sometimes missed. This oversight is repeated every year by thousands of Canadian taxpayers and the mystery funds just keep piling up. But there is hope. There is a little-known secret that allows you to reclaim those missed refunds. By law, the CRA allows you to go back 10 years to make any adjustments and claim any taxes owed to you. Tax preparers typically review your current year's tax returns. We look much deeper into the past 10 years. In perfect hindsight, we seek every opportunity within the confines of the Tax Act to benefit you and your family. Experience has shown that these tax refunds are helping over 60% of Canadian working families. There is no cost to you for the assessment. That's right. It costs you nothing for this assessment. We only get paid if refunds are found. We understand the information you share with us is sensitive. For that reason, we assure you that this service is completely legal and allowed by CRA. You can verify this information by going to CRA's website. The tax recovery work is done by tax specialists with CRA representative IDs and is governed by strict confidentiality rules. All of your information sent electronically is transmitted in a secure environment and we make the process as painless as possible. Copies of your previous year's taxes are not required for a personal tax review. Your privacy is completely assured. Imagine what you could do with hundreds or thousands from an unexpected refund. Act now to start the 2-minute process for putting more money in your pocket. Click now on the Sign Up button.